Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, February 12th, 2013. Well, some news. The growth in the U.S. budget deficit slows in January. The federal AP is telling us that the federal government reported a rare surplus for January and is on track to run its smallest annual budget deficit since President Barack Obama took office. It's about time, if you ask me. Looks like State of the Union will be this evening, and the markets look like they were bullish just before the State of the Union. We see here that we have mixed markets. The S&P up 0.16%, the Dow up 0.34%, Nasdaq in negative territory down 0.17%, but Apple was off by over 2.5% today, and that did not fare well for Nasdaq. And we have Russell's up by 0.5%, very strong. Banks were leading all day long, so it doesn't surprise me we ended in bullish territory. Banks up 0.76%. VIX was bullish for the most part of the today until the very end of the day. Then we actually dropped by 2.3%. So the fear index dropping at the tail end of the day. And we have gold up 0.12, silver up 0.3. I'll tell you, these guys broke down at some nasty support levels yesterday. And that's so this little bounce was to be expected, but I think gold and silver could be in trouble. And crude oil up 0.46%. Gas prices are on the rise, and you'll see here that the U.S. dollar down 0.23%. And utilities still staying strong. You'll see that this defensive sector up 0.4% is gaining some strength here. Let's take a look. I redid some trend lines. So the big blue one coming across here, I sat it back down on this swing and made it gray so it didn't stick out as much. But now I'm really paying attention to these green ones. We have the resistance here, and then a parallel line coming here, went to this lower shadow to this lower shadow. Now this gives us a nice channel. As long as we can stay in this channel, I would remain bullish, but as soon as we go below it, I'd be looking for some bearish plays. Let's take a look here at Google. You'll see that Google today popped up over resistance point but came right back down, and this I see my line is off ever so slightly, so I need to put this right on there. Let's go here to a line chart. Where is it? Here we are. Yep, perfect and perfect. Good. Alright, so I feel really good about that trend line. Resistance, we tried to get above it, came right back down. So Google is in trouble. If it can't bust up through this major area of resistance, I see it have a better chance to head down. Apple came up trying to fight this upper line here. If I were to bring this to this swing, that's right there where the shadows went. So I think that as long as we can stay above this trend line, all would be well with Apple. But it's trying to claw its way back and trying to fill this gap, but it has a way to go before it does that. And let's look at Facebook. Facebook, we have this double top M for murder, and it's just been crashing down. However, you're building a falling wedge here, and let me show that to you. If I were to draw a couple of trend lines, one here, you can see the falling wedge, which can be bullish. Last time we drew those lines, we had a nice pop. Will that happen again? It certainly could. And what else do I want to look at? Oh, that's about it. So this 3D, you'll see that's in a lot of trouble. It's on the IBD list. If you guys look at the IBD or Bill O'Neill, William O'Neill's stuff, it's been rated really highly on their lists, and it's under a lot of pressure, a lot of selling pressure right now. So that's it. Take care, safe trading, and make sure that you talk and us about the mentorship that we have coming up. We only do it once a month, so this is your chance. All right, have a good one.